Hi guys! So today, another vlog at may isi-share ako sa inyo guys kung kayo ba ay nagsasuffer ng inyong cough or you have asthma and short breathing. Meron tayong mga ingredients dito na basic lang siya guys na pwede natin siyang gawin morning and before tayo matulog, ano? So, meron tayong honey. I have honey here. And I have some salt and we have some lime. You can use also lemon. So, let's do it. And I'm gonna show you how to mix this kind of ingredients for our cough. Hi guys! So, today, isi-share ko sa inyo kung paano gawin itong ating 3 ingredients na para sa ating basic medication for our cough. I'm not a doctor guys, but nabasa ko lang din ito according sa mga articles about health. Maglalagay tayo dito ng honey sa ating bowl. Ayan, ubusin na natin tong honey na to na natitira dito sa amin. Ayan. Ayan. So, we have honey here. Ayan. And then, yung honey na to na nilagay ko na 2 tablespoon, maglagay lang tayo ng pinch of salt. Ayan. Another one. Bali twice na pinch of salt. And then, lime or lemon, you can squeeze and add it to our honey. Ayan. So, mix lang natin together. And now, that's how it looks. This is it. And then, after that, guys, you can drink 1 tablespoon because I put it here 2 tablespoons of honey. So you can drink this one is in the morning before breakfast. You can drink 1 tablespoon, and then before you're gonna sleep, you can drink also 1 tablespoon. So 2 beses lang sa isang araw. Ayan, sa umaga at sa bago matulog. Ayan, and then mararamdaman mo yung maayos na paghinga at paunti-unting matatanggal din ang inyong cough. Okay, try nyo rin sa bahay nyo guys. Ayan, that's all for today. Have a good day!